Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to use Microsoft OneNote in order to create a template. Now the specific template that we'll be creating in this video is that of an agenda or a to-do list. Now I know some of you keep track of your assignments using a pen and paper, or maybe you use Google Docs or any other type of app. So this will just be an alternative and another way that you can use to kind of keep yourself in order. So let's go ahead and get started. Now the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and go back to your desktop and find the icon for Microsoft OneNote. Double click to open that up, and then we're going to create a new notebook. So hit File, New, and this will be the start of you creating a new notebook. Hit My Computer, and then let's go ahead and create a name for your notebook. I'm naming mine Mrs. Kender's Agenda. Of course, you can use your own name. And once you have a name, click Create Notebook. You can actually picture this as if it's an actual notebook. The title, Mrs. Kender's Agenda, that I just created is like the notebook itself. The tabs up here are as if they're the tabs in an actual notebook. And the pages that we'll create along this side are the actual pages in your notebook. So it's pretty cool. So here is where we'll actually be creating our assignment template. Scroll over to where it says New Page, and don't click the New Page button, but click the little arrow beside it instead. Go down to where it says Page Templates. And a whole bunch of options are going to be here for you. In the end, we're going to be listing all of our classes in this section here, but here's where it's your chance to be creative. Now when I look at my assignment pad or whatever it is, I like it to be decorative and pretty, so I'm going to go ahead and hit decorative. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to maybe put some stars in there. You hit view, you can add some rule lines, which I like to see. And then you can go ahead and type in whatever you need to type in. So I'm going to type in the words to-do list. Maybe change the font around. Make it a little bigger. And again, it's kind of however you choose to do it. Underneath, the way OneNote works is wherever you click, it automatically creates a text box. So I'm going to start out by making a list for my classes. And then I'm typing in a list of all my classes. Okay, now that I have them all listed out, I want to change the font around. And again, this is yours, so you make it however you prefer to see it. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Change my font here. Okay, so be creative. Underneath that, I'm going to create a list for other, just in case there's anything outside of my classes that I need to be doing. Change my font for that as well. And I'm going to move that right below. You might want to create a section for sports, or for after-school activities, or for chores at home. Again, totally up to you. So now I kind of have what I want it to look like. Okay, and once you have yours how you want it to look, go ahead to the right side of the page, at the very bottom, where it says Save Current Page as a Template. Click that, and the little dialog box comes up. You're going to name your template, and I'm going to name it again Before you hit save, click the box where it says Set as Default Template for New Pages in the Current Section. That's where it's really important, so give it a name, click the box, and hit save. Okay? What that does is it makes it so that this page that you just created will come up over and over again every time you hit new page. For example, if I hit new page, all these pages that I've just created, all are the same exact template. So if I wanted to make my to-do list on Monday, I can go ahead and edit that title, type in my assignments, and here's where you would type in whatever you have to do that day. Okay? And then when you come back on Tuesday, you can leave the Monday one there so that you can look back at it. And you would hit the next one, and you can type in for Tuesday. And you would complete this for all your classes. Right? And then when you come back on Wednesday, you click the next one and the next one. And you have a running list now of all of your to-do lists for the past however long you've been doing it. And the cool thing about OneNote is that it timestamps everything for you and everything automatically saves. So it's very easy to go back to and to keep track of. Also, if you exit out and you click on it again, it appears right here with your list along the side as well. So hopefully this helps you and provides you another option of keeping track of your assignments. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck. Have a great day.